In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Airtable CRM using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat so you can create the system from scratch. Once the chat is ready, paste in a single prompt that tells Claude to create a CRM system directly in your Airtable using the integration. The prompt should ask for tables for contacts, deals, and activities. It should also request fields for names, companies, emails, phone numbers, deal stages, values, owners, dates, and activity tracking. Make sure the prompt also asks for linked records, a basic pipeline workflow, and a complete setup that is ready to use. After sending the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate and create the CRM structure in Airtable. When that is done, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created base. This is where the CRM will be set up. Open the base and begin by reviewing the contacts table. Confirm that the expected fields are there, such as contact names, company details, email fields, phone fields, and any other core contact information that should be tracked. This table should be designed to hold the main information for each person or company you work with. Next, move to the deals table, review the fields, and make sure the pipeline stages have been created properly. You should also see areas for deal values, assigned owners, dates, and related contact information. This table is where you will manage opportunities and track progress through your sales process. Then open the activities table. Check that it includes the fields needed to log follow-ups, meetings, notes, and other important actions. Activity tracking is useful for keeping a clear history of communication and next steps tied to your contacts and deals. After reviewing the three main tables, verify that they are properly linked. Contacts should connect to deals, and activities should connect to the relevant contacts or deals. These linked records are important because they let you move through your CRM with better visibility and less manual work. Once everything looks correct, you can start adding your own CRM data. Enter contacts, create deals, and log activities so the system becomes useful right away. As you use it, you can make small adjustments to match your workflow, but the main structure should already be in place. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.